Hello guys, we saw in this video Snyder Mac Ultivaware 71 VFD drive parameter setting. Here first is the drive menu, second is SS level, third is open perceivage, fourth password, language, then monitoring configuration, display configuration. Okay, then we are going into the first drive menu. In drive menu 1.1 is simply start, 1.2 monitoring, 1.3 setting, 1.4 motor control, 1.1 input output configuration, command application, fault manager and diagnostic. These drive parameters are for the EOT crane. The Ultiva Snyder Mac Ultiva 71 drive is for the EOT crane purpose. In 1.1 simply start 2 by 3 wire control has a 2 wire. Macro configuration is hosting, standard frequency 50 Hz, rated motor power as per the nameplate, and auto tuning state done, and output phase rotation is ABC. Motor thermal current is 15 ampere, and as per that the motor nameplate we adjust all the parameter, and low speed is 10 Hz. For the crane duty we have to also upload the low speed parameter in the VFD drive, and this is a EOT crane duty VFD drive, and it's a Snyder Mac Ultivaware 71. Now the 1.2 is a monitoring. In monitoring we are shown here input output map, communication map, alarm group, HMI frequency reference 0.0, HMI frequency reference 0.0, and frequency reference is plus 50 Hz. Okay, and motor current 0.0, motor voltage, motor torque. These all are the monitoring. When the motor is run, then these all things will be the monitoring in going in the 1.2 monitoring. And this is the Ultivaware 71 Snyder Mac VFD drive. For the purpose of this drive is to run the electric overhead crane EOT crane. Okay, power on time is 430269, run time 2929, and consumption and IGBT alarm counter is 1391. Now the 1.3 is the setting. This is the main. Here we have to set all the parameter. Acceleration is 3.0 Hz, deceleration 2 second, low speed 10 Hz, high speed 50 Hz, and speed ramp gain 40%, speed time integrate 100%, K speed loop filter 0, IR configuration 100%, switching frequency 4.0 Hz, current limitation 30 ampere, motor fluctuation no, and low speed time output is 0.0 Hz, preset speed 2 is 50 Hz, brake release forward 10.0 ampere, brake release time 0.50 second, brake release frequency auto, brake engage frequency auto, and brake engage delay is 0.0, and brake engage time is 0.50 second. Okay, this is the VFD drive is designed for the EOT crane application. So all the parameter here we are showing are the as per the operation and functioning of the EOT crane. Here time to restart 0.0, and the current threshold 27.7, and the high torque threshold 100%, and low torque threshold plus 50%. The frequency threshold 1 and 2 both are the 50 Hz. Motor thermal level is 100%, and after setting all the parameter are set as per our requirement. Then 1.4 is the motor control. In motor control we set the parameter as per the detail available on the motor. Rated power 7.10, rated motor current 16 ampere, 50 Hz, RPM increment is equal to x1 RPM. Here we are enter the parameter which is right on the nameplate of the motor. Okay, our voltage is 415 voltage. By push the in between button we can go into there, and then we can up and down as per the our requirement. And I am again click, then we are going into the back of the parameter list. Here you can now show the rated motor voltage is 420 volt. Previously it was the 415 voltage. The 7.10 kilowatt. Here we can move the main cursor and we can easily set our parameter. So Ertiga 71 Schneider Mac drive is very good to use in the EOT crane application. In here all kind of setting like acceleration, deceleration, starting torque, starting low speed, starting high torque, and everything we can adjust in the in this drive. So due to the adjustment of all these parameters, we can easily run the EOT crane. The life of the EOT crane is also increased. Okay, so it is a very good drive to use for the EOT crane application. Here vector control 2PT is no, and the IR compensation is 100%, slip compensation is 100%, stator R measure 279, and as per that we have to nominal motor slip is 3.0 Hz, and poles pair number is 3, current stator resistance 279, 3.62. Switching frequency is 4.0 ampere, current limitation 30 ampere, motor surge limit 1.5 input per output configuration. Here we have to decide 2 per 3 wire control, then the 2 wire type is transistor, and reverse assign Li2, Li1, Li2, Li3, Li4, Li5 configuration is done. Li6 is the spare. These Li1, L2, L3 are the relay signal. We have to watch the alarm GRP3 definition, alarm GRP2 definition, configuration. All the parameter here you can see. Now we are going into the command section. Reference 1 channel, stop key priority is yes. In fault management, PTC management is okay, fault reset is okay, automatic restart should be taken, catch one delay is taken, motor thermal protest, input phaseless fault management is also taken. If these are fault will be occurred, then this drive will be the give the feedback to us. Drive overheat is also okay. So these all are the parameter I have seen here are for the Schneider Make Altiva Verse 71 drive, and this drive is used for the EOT crane application. And